Okay guys, so basically this is gonna be a video of like what's the daily routine of a 7-figure drop shipper. I figured like if I can show you guys my daily routine, maybe you can like implement it into your own daily life, maybe it'd help or something like that. First thing I do before I brush my teeth, before I, do everything, before I scale my Facebook ads, with a $10,000 plus budget, I'm kidding. I come out, I look at LA, I look at the view, as if it's gonna be anything different than what it already is, but yeah. And then I come down here, check out the pool. Just recently what we did is, because LA is super strict, especially with COVID, there's so many like regulations. We put a home gym. You could see like we got some adjustable dumbbells. We got a little bench press that we made. So right now it's 8 a.m. I try to wake up at 8 a.m. Ideally it would be like 7 a.m. But I always, thought with this logic, like just try to wake up 1 hour ahead of everyone else, or just like at least the average person, just so you can get like a competitive advantage. But who knows, maybe I'm thinking so much like Gary Vee. But anyways, I'm gonna go brush my teeth and yeah. Okay guys, so after I brush my teeth and then I do like the small things like that, I basically hop on a WhatsApp because that's where I have like a lot of business, like suppliers and stuff like that. I always have like 4 or 5 people sending me different messages. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'll respond to them and then I'll get back to you after that. Yo guys, also if you come in here, I'm trying to use a little bit more YouTube ads rather than Facebook ads because, oh my god, Facebook ads always banning, and I have an account right now and I'm spending like $200, $300 a day, which is absolutely nothing. This is like a sub ad account, but if you guys come in here, you can see some of my results that I'm doing. And it totally works if you're selling a product. You don't need to be in like some weird business or something for YouTube ads to work. The only campaign that was working well for me was a giant, super broad keyword. It was at $20 a day. It got me, 1 to 2 sales a day. So I basically upped the budget to $100, and today is the second day of it running at $100. Spent $22 and it got me 3. I think in reality it did get me 4 sales. It didn't track. So basically it's not the fact that I spent $22 and like whatever 3x, 4x ROI. The main thing is I'm looking that like this offer still converts on YouTube rather than Facebook and Instagram, because I kept thinking to myself, like I kept running into bans and I was thinking like, am I gonna be naive to this? Like, as like business changes, like there's gonna be things in business that change. Without being further ado guys, we're gonna go dip, we're gonna get a Celsius, and I'll talk to you soon. Guys, literally like such a big part of my daily routine is I come down. Right now we're right off of Santa Monica Boulevard. I blast the weekend, bro. For copyright, bro, copyright. I gotta get that AdSense. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, literally just blast the weekend, drink my Celsius, bro, and I'm chilling. It's the morning, it's 9 a.m. right now. And even then I get back to my house, I'm gonna read for like an hour, 2 hours, and then I get started working at like 11 or something. Yo guys, so as you can see on my Snapchat, this isn't fake, February 12, 2017, almost 4 years ago, and I wasn't making any money. My future home, Los Angeles, when I move here, it's a day I make it. I'll be around 17 to 18. I had it all wrong. I thought when I moved to LA, I was gonna make it, but no, that's not how it works at all. I didn't make it at all right now. But you can see, bro, I used to come here, visualizing. It just shows you, like, guys, I'm just telling you, like, if you're watching this video, and I'm telling you, if like, I don't want to like put the false impression. I dropped out of school. I'm not saying drop out or anything, but like if you truly brainwash yourself, and I'm not saying brainwash in a bad way, but like brainwash yourself into thinking successful thoughts. Like, I mean, bro, imagine you're brainwashed by like Bill Gates, you know, it's not being necessarily brainwashed for the worst, but like I brainwashed myself into thinking that like I'm gonna be doing this right after high school. And even Shopify results, brainwash yourself into thinking you're successful in e-com. I remember half the battle was me just overthinking things when I was, you know, creating my Shopify store. I'm just gonna refer to things as super vague right now because I don't know if you're watching this and you do Shopify dropshipping or not. But Shopify dropshipping is the business model I'm in. Basically, like, take products from China from like a supplier, and we basically uplist it on our website and we advertise it on like Facebook. So if you want my course that I used to charge $500 for, it's only $17, guys. Like, I'm not really like making any money off of it. So I literally go over my product research method, every single step of my drop shipping, like finding products, creating the website. It's basically up to you to duplicate. I have it in like a set of videos, only $17 once again. So if you want to join that, should be a link in the description, or I'm gonna pin a comment with some information or something if you want it. So another thing that I want to point out is, you know, I keep saying like, you know, before and after, like when I was 16 years old, 15, this is what I wanted to do, and now I'm doing it. Also being part of a Stoic, ideally, you know, Stoic is basically anyone who forgoes present pleasure for future gain. They're thinking more long term rather than Epicurean. Epicurean is the mindset of YOLO, we only live once, let's enjoy, let's have pleasure now. But as you know, that's not really the key to being successful. If so, I'd be eating chips all day, I would be, you know, doing things giving me a whole bunch of temporary pleasure, but ideally long-term it would sacrifice and it wouldn't be good. Unfortunately, most people today live as an Epicurean, you know. They don't eat the best foods that aren't healthy. They eat it because it tastes great. They are watching YouTube, Netflix. But if you're a Stoic, you read books, you're working out, you know, you're foregoing present pleasure for future gain. Life is a journey, not a destination. People say that, but it's not about, the whole point of life is to not be on a journey to get to your destination. You have to also enjoy the journey. It's living through the journey. But me as a person, I haven't, you know, I'm not thinking to myself like, oh, I've done it all, whatever, I don't need to do anything. That's a dangerous mindset, terrible mindset. So I'm gonna continue to persist, and I hope once you guys find a little bit of success in your business, that you keep persisting and everything like that, and you are enjoying and you're building on the journey. Because you got to enjoy the journey. So yeah, guys, February 19th 2019, about 2 years ago. This is like right when I first had some success in e-com, the good life, the air up here and everything, bro. That was taken right here, as you can see. I'm supposed to have a selfie, bro. I know I have a selfie somewhere in my camera roll where I'm like, hey, I'm out here in LA and stuff like that, you know, being cheesy. But I'm literally in the same exact spot. Times have changed. I now live here, and you know, it's pretty much visualization or whatever. So I'm here, you know, drop shipping away. Now it sounds kind of cheesy, but you know, it's a little just before and after of you know, what can I say, guys? Like, I'm just trying to, you know, put myself in the shoes of, let's just say you're in Mississippi right now watching my videos, you want to start drop shipping. Figure out a business model you want to get into, whether it's drop shipping, whether it's like Forex, social media marketing. You know, there's so many different business models. See what's up and coming, trends. So figure out a business model, persist, know tunnel vision, and you also have to, you know, see that before and after. Like, this before and after was like me right here doing this, and then the after is I'm in the same spot, except I now live here, you know. I live here, and that's a little about that. But we're gonna keep driving around, and we're actually gonna be climbing the Hollywood sign in the next clip. So I'll see you then. See ya. Guys, right now we're at the bottom, but it's gonna be quite a workout. But as you can see, that's the Hollywood sign. This isn't some fake, you know, Hollywood green screen production. We're gonna climb up that right there, go around, and then hit the Hollywood sign. Guys, I'm the first e-commerce guru dropshipper to climb the Hollywood sign, and that's facts. So let's get it. We are to the Hollywood sign. We just gotta remain low key, and we should be able to do it. So let's get it. Just follow me on this adventure. We're leaving. Yo guys, so we just did it. As you saw, bro, the dude was like freaking had the sirens on. That's typically what they do, bro. They don't really care, honestly, if you guys climb it, and I'm not saying you guys should, so don't get that as like the point. But yeah, unfortunately we got a dip. We couldn't touch the sign, but like, bro, we were 20 feet away from it. And I think on my birthday, my 18th birthday, about like 2 years ago, I did it. So that was pretty chill. Anyways, we're about to head out. Probably gonna go like surfing or something like that. Yo guys, me and Jonas now out here in Malibu, bro. About to try to catch some waves and not meet any sharks, so let's get it. Let's hopefully get some clips, bro. We don't have anywhere to put the GoPro housing on the board, so we're just gonna have to hold it while paddling, which I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what we're gonna do.
You go? Let's go. Good shit. Enjoy it.
Surfing for me is, I've always grown up by the beach, even in San Diego. My house was like 1 mile, like 1.5 miles from the beach. So like everyone would surf except me, bro. I was always scared, trust me. The dark oceans of Southern California, especially in the winter, it's cold. It can be murky. And if, you know, it's too murky, you're gonna get murked by a shark. So trust me, bro, when I'm out there, like I'm scared, but I feel like there's gonna be sharks and stuff like that. But realistically, think about this, there's people there almost, you know, 18 hours out of the day. And even if you look out, there's like 150 feet out, there's people snorkeling. Realistically, there's not sharks. And I think you're more likely to get like hit on the head from a coconut and die. So it's always like challenging yourself. Like I got a Rubik's Cube to train my brain and muscles that I wouldn't normally do. You know, that way you think things you're not normally thinking. And you just become a well-diverse person, you know? You don't want to just be able to do a one-trick pony, you know, as my dad used to say. And I know he's watching this. Now we back to the house, driving a Malibu, the 101, PCH cruising, as Jaden Smith says, my twin. So, no, I'm just kidding, but I'll see you soon. Peace. From surfing, back at the house, just gonna do a little bit of laundry, and then after that just gonna check up on the ads, especially YouTube ads. I'm really interested in that because it did look like I got some sales from YouTube ads, so hopefully gonna do that, work a little bit, and then unwind from there, probably get some food, and yeah, let's keep it light. Talk soon. Alright guys, now just chilling off in the hot tub and the pool. They're both like super hot, which is really nice. You can just heat it, and then, but you know, you can see the sunset, which is nice. You can literally see like everything all the way from Santa Monica to Venice. And then I can imagine this street right here, Santa Monica Boulevard, that we took all the way up to Sunset Boulevard, and we came up here up the hill. Guys, ladies and gentlemen, we got him. It's this right here. Let's break it down for you. Let me do the unboxing, okay? Here we got some garlic basil naan. If you don't know this, now you know. You need to search it up. Garlic basil naan. We got, I believe this is his lamb. I don't like lamb, but this is chicken tikka masala, bro. We're about to devour this with some rice. Chicken tikka masala. Search it up. It's some gas food. Guys, that was a day in the life, the daily routine of a 7-figure dropshipper. I'm just kidding. Enough with the seriousness, guys. And yeah, guys, beautiful day in LA, bro. You can see the clouds are actually above the city lights, which is pretty dope. Yeah, it's basically what I do, guys. If you freaked with it, you know, I'm not gonna curse out here, Christian channel only. I want you to comment down, comment some other videos or something you want to see. Obviously, I want to post more, but I want to get more organic content out there. So yeah, do that. And then also, last chance, if you're stuck here, comment mango every single video. Well, don't comment mango on every single video, but I want you to comment mango. And then also, guys, if you want to join the $17 course, bro, I'm not gonna force you, but like, yo, come on, it's 17 bucks. Why not, dude? By the end of this video, after this, if you go to that webpage, you can literally get instant access. You can get started literally right now. So anyways, guys, I'm out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Next video is crazy, bro. I'm going to Africa for a month next week. What does life come to, guys? I'm 19 years old, bro. A couple years ago, I was literally getting all F's in school, and I just told everyone I was gonna become a dropshipper and move to LA, move in the freaking hills. And yeah, it's basically what I did, bro. And I was just listening to the Weeknd song, you know, running through the city in the same shoes, bro. Like, I didn't have these same freaking shoes on, but like, we really out here, guys. Not much, like, time-wise, not much has changed, bro. It's been like 2, 3, 4 years, but like, changing my life. So I just thought with this YouTube channel, with the $17 course, bro, like, how can I change other people's life? Because obviously I have my own businesses and stuff like that, but as a Stoic does, he works his life for the better of other people, not just himself. I could benefit myself, but true Stoics, just like I read in the book today, I mean, I've been living by this principle, but like, I'm trying to live together as a community, trying to better the community. You know what I'm saying? Sounds kind of cheesy. I'm kind of extending it. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.